When I'm trying to find the sum, if you did it manually, you would plug in the 4 first, then the 5, then the 6, then the 7. You would keep going all the way to 53, and then you would take all those numbers and put them in your calculator and add them up and get the answer. So this answer is going to be pretty big. It's going to be a big number. But I'm going to teach you how to use this formula to find the sum of the numbers from 4 to 53 so that you can do it with the formula. So A1, to get A1, we know it's 13.
Isn't it 3 times 4?
You plug in the bottom number to get A1. Everybody get that? You plug it into the 3n plus 1. You get that, Robert?
Yeah.
To get AN, you plug in the top number. So somebody plug that in. 160. And for N, and this is the fence post rule, you take the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. So it's going to be 50. Any questions on that? Top number is 53 minus the bottom number, which is 49, plus 1. That plus 1 is the fence post rule we talked about the other day. And now you put them in the formula. So you have 50 over 2, and 13 plus 160 would be 25 times 173, which is what? So your final answer is 4,325. You put that in the calculator. She gave it to me. Number 8 is from I equals 3 to 52, and it's 9 minus 2i. So A1 is going to be 9 minus 6, which is 3, and AN is going to be 9 minus 104, which is what, negative 90 something? Negative 95?
Yeah.
And then your N is going to be the top number, 52, minus the other one, 49, plus 1, which is also 50. Okay? So we have 50 over 2 times A1 plus AN. This is going to be a negative number. It's going to be 25 times negative 92. That is the answer.